Good morning, it's the Orange Defender here, and I'm just going to give you a quick rundown about how I'm getting on with the Planar diesel heater. So it's currently 6:50 in the morning. I'm just going to, from my bedroom here on the 4th floor of my flat, press the on button on the remote. That'll start the heater, so we'll go down in a few minutes, we'll see how warm it is. I'll also bring the thermal imaging camera with me so we can see how hot the car has got. Okay, so the heater's been on for about 15 minutes, so I'll just go outside now and we'll check and see how hot the car is. Hopefully it'll be nice and toasty when we get in. Okay, so we're just coming outside now. Just come up to the car, we'll see how warm it is. So currently outside, you can see the current temperature there, 2.5 degrees. The car nice and hot. So it's saying the window temperature, you see there, 15 degrees. That really hot bit there is the exhaust. If we get a bit closer, we'll see it better. That's quite hot. Let's see how warm it is inside. This is really nice and warm. You can see that most of the heat is being blown over that way, just because of the direction of my nozzle on the end of the heater. Let's have a look and see what it is actually coming out the end of the heater there. Well, apparently that's nearly 100 degrees. So that is really nice and warm. So we'll never again have ice anywhere. I have got a heated windscreen, but I doubt I'll need it now that I've got this heater installed. So it is really, really good. Okay, so conclusion is, heater works really well and is absolutely worth every penny. There are a couple of teething issues. The first one being, it can be a bit of a bugger to bleed. So it's air in the fuel lines. And when the tank does drain down, there's nothing to stop it running over, so it will just suck air into the fuel lines again, in which case you've got to bleed it again, which is frustrating. Also, the vent on the cap, so as the fuel drains out, obviously it's got to replace that space in the tank with air. That vent was stuck shut and unable to open. I think the moulding on it was as good as it could have been. So that went completely, what am I trying to say? It sealed off. So when it was sealed off, obviously there's no air getting into it, and that caused a couple of issues. So I've got to take that vent off and then put a small pipe coming up from the cap as a little breather pipe so the fuel doesn't splash out of it. Other issues are, that's it really. It doesn't really use any power out the battery at all. It's it's really good, really good. So yeah, I do highly recommend it. As you can see from the thermal imaging camera, it is very powerful as well. It does kick out a lot of heat. So I'm going to keep it running, and we'll see how hot I can get my car, because it's only been running for about 10 or 15 minutes. So we'll see how hot the car will get if we leave it running for, say, an hour or so. And if that is kicking out 100 degree heat out of it, it should get to really hot now. We'll see how hot we can get the fender. But it was quite interesting to see on the thermal imaging camera where all the dark bits were in the car, whereas all the huge gaps in the panels and the bodywork allowing the cold air into the car. So in conclusion to my review, it is a very good heater, and it is worth the 100 quid that you'll spend on it, and the few hours that you'll spend installing it. And it does kick out a lot of heat. It doesn't use up a lot of fuel, and it doesn't really use any power from the battery. It's only a motor spinning it once it actually gets started. So all in all, really good. And I'm nice and toasty. It's about 2 degrees outside, and it's about 21, 22 degrees in here at the moment. So it is very, very, very good indeed. I hope you like this video. So if you want to see more, please like and subscribe, and I'll hopefully see you next time. Thanks very much for watching. This one's a bit interesting. Hopefully, I can get too much trust now, because that does not look like I'm going to fit down there at all. So we shall see. I'm half expecting to get stuck on this bit.